Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the Laravel 10 authentication part using login and registration using Jetstream along with Livewire. This is very important part to configure our entire project very simple. Okay, this is the way we have to follow the implement the Laravel 10 project. So first I'm going to go to the official website and download the Laravel. So you have type Laravel 10. Click on this. It goes to the respective website for download the Laravel. Okay, so here 10 it default selected. Go below. So here you have to go to the installation part. So here I'm going to type here installation. Get started installation. Right now here go below. Here this one. Click on this. Clipboard. I'm going to create the project G drive Laravel Auth. Just name I just give here. Whatever name you can give the name. Here inside the folder I'm going to start the open CMD. Paste it here. You have to type the project name something school app, something like that. Right. So this app, okay, this app we have industrial, we have configured the Laravel complete project, right? Using the Jetstream with Livewire, right? Very simply, easily the Laravel, the Livewire, which is a framework. Okay, it easily configure the Laravel project. So we have easily implement the login and everything using the Laravel using Jetstream. Okay, if you are writing those instead of generating the Jetstream with Livewire, if you are writing your own code, it takes too much of time to complete your project. So it will be easily implemented. Right now, let's see. Let's wait until the project download completed. Right. Now here the Laravel 10 project installation completed. I'm going to open the project. So cd school app. Press enter key. Now you go inside this folder. I'm going to open the folder on VS Code editor, code space dot and press enter key. This entire project will be open up your VS Code editor. Look like this. Yes, trust project. You have to right. This is the folder and file structure of Laravel. This is the folder structure. This is the file structure of Laravel, right? So now what you are going to do is, I'm going to install the Livewire with Jetstream. So go here, Livewire Laravel. Just type Laravel, or Livewire Laravel Jetstream. Livewire Jetstream. Laravel Livewire Jetstream. You click on this, Livewire. Laravel Jetstream Livewire, right? Go here, go to installation, right? We have create the Laravel project. We have the Laravel project, all things we've done. Now what you're going to do is, here they are given the instruction how to install the Jetstream along with Livewire. So here, copy this code, copy it back to my terminal. Go inside your project. Okay, you go inside your project. My project is reside on where? Laravel or school app. Inside the project, we have to install this Jetstream. Press enter key. You have to wait until the Jetstream installation has been completed. After done the process, we have to go to Livewire installation. After installation the Jetstream, you have to go to Livewire installation. Here this is Livewire, right? So here there are two things. Livewire, you will be able to install this Livewire or Inertia. Inertia later on video we will discuss about the Inertia. In this video I'm going to talk about the Livewire, right? Here this Livewire. Now I'm going to install the Livewire, PHP Artisan Jetstream Livewire. Press enter key. Now the Livewire migration has been created successfully. So all the things have been installed. Right, we have to wait until all the process completed. Right. Now what you are going to do is, after done the process, right? So here it will be done. So now I'm going to go to my project. This is my project. This project I'm going already open on the Discord editor. You can see over here. You can go see over here. Now what we are going to do is here. First, I'm going to go to open my XAMPP. Click start. This also click start. Go to the admin panel of the XAMPP. Sorry, accidentally close the application. Now this address bar copied. Go here, paste it over here. So database connection, you have to write this one. Right. Copy this one. You have to go to the address bar passing to the Chrome. Right. Now here I'm going to create a new database. Is scope. Just create the database as scope. Right. Click create. The database has been created. Now I'm going to go to the database configuration file, which is a env file. Click on this. Here I'm going to make the collection as scoop. Right. This is the user credential of XAMPP. Root is a username, password is a blank. File save all. Right. After that, what you are going to do is go to my installation. You have to install the finalized installation npm install. Copy this back to my terminal. Paste it here. Press enter key. We have to download install the node modules as well. This is must. Okay, so if the node module is not working npm install, you have to install the node.js first. Okay, go to the respective website, node.js. You have to download and install this particular module. Okay, you have to create the version here, recommend for the user. This one, click on this. You have to download it here. Download started. I already downloaded. So you after download completed, you have straightforward. Okay, first you have to double click and open the setup. You have to straightforward. Click next. You have to click next until the finish button comes. After that, click finish button and end the installation part. After that, your node has been installation successfully in your machine. This your npm package is working. Right. Now npm modules are installed successfully. Now I'm going to go to the second one is a npm run build. This command you have to run it. Press enter key. All the packages it get built, right? So it builded all the packages, right? Correct. It built successfully. After that, we have to run the command php artisan migrate. We have to migrate all the database fields. So run it. Okay, all things are built successfully. Now I'm going to run the application php artisan. So we have run the application check. Now here this support is running. You can click here, copy this, paste it over here, press enter key. Here login and registration. Here this is your Jetstream. Okay, here login and username. The two links are created successfully. Click registration. Here I'm going to create a new user. That's John. Email john@gmail.com. Password, I just typed some other password. John. Right. Click register button. The password consists of 8 characters. Here you have to use a password. It's not correct. 8 characters. That's why it take error. So I just type. Okay, right. You must type as 8 characters. Right. Now registration has been completed. You will be able to see the dashboard of here Laravel Jetstream. You will be able to see it. Now what you're going to do is, here you will be able to see the our this is session. Go to the profile. Here the profile you will be able to change the photo and everything you will be able to change. Okay, they are the two-factor authentication. Every stuff is there on our authentication part. Here you will be able to, this is your email address. If you want to change the password, you will be able to change the password over here. You have to enable the two-factor authentication. The browsers, if you want to delete the account, you can manage the, if you want to delete this particular account, click by this delete button and you will be able to delete the particular account. All the stuff you can manage it over here. Right, now what you are going to do is, this all the things we have done it. Now I want to make the email configuration. So here once you register, you have to verify the email. So how to verify the email? Let's check it. Right, so what you're going to do is, here I'm going to go to my Laravel project. I will open up here, go to configure. Here where we have configured the email address. Here you have to 45. Go here. Here you have to enable this option email. Here this default it will be commented, so you have to enable the option email. Right, so you have to enable it. Sorry. Okay. Right. File save all. After that you have to make another changes. Right, we have to make another changes, which is a module. The model is completed. Reside on the apps model user. Here also we have to do one stuff to complete the things. Here what you are going to do is, here you have to write it. You have to implement that. Here this one. Here is commented. Here to this one we have to get it here. Right. So here we have to implement that this. Right. So here we have to authenticable. Implements. We have to this must make. Now then only we can verify images. Okay, right, now let's file save all. Now we have to, in order to configure the verify mail and everything, we have to do by mail strap. So we have to write mail strap, copy here, click on this link here. You have to sign up for free. I'm going to create the account via my Google account. You can create, you will be able to sign up and create, that is your wish. Okay, now I'm going to create my account as our via my Gmail. Right, so this is a dashboard of mail strap. Now you go email testing, my inbox. Here you have to select the integration of Laravel 9 plus. Okay, now here we are doing the project at Laravel 10, so you have to select the version of Laravel 9 plus. This is a mail configuration. You just copy this one. Don't copy here. You click copy on the clipboard. Then only this all the things are copied successfully. Right. Now back to my project. Here go to the env file for the configuration file of the Laravel. So here you will be able to configure here. This is mail. In this part you have to cover. Okay, so here I just paste it here. You can see here it is there until here. Right, so you just all things you just cut, you have to paste it over here. Right, now we are configuration mail into the where mail stuff. Right, okay, so keep these two things is important. Right, okay, so here the above all the things you have to paste it over here. Now let's file save all. Now let's go back to my project installation over here. So here my project is running here, this Laravel. Now I'm going to go to register again. I'm going to register again. Okay, so now you can see, now if you are registered any user, I'm going to say and at gmail.com, password 6, and right, register right? When you register the account, now you will be able to see here it asks the verification here. It asks the verification. Okay, when you register the account, it will be confirmed the verification. If you click on this, you can see here get the email here. It get the email. Here's hand. Yeah, if you miss, you can get the email here. Click on this. That's why I register account. Get the email. Click on here. Here to get the email. Please click the verify the account. So here, if you have clicked verified, now what happen is you will be open the your account has been created. Right now again you can sign out the account, log out, and again you have to you have to log in the account, not log out, register here. If you verify the email only, your account has been created. Now I'm going to create and at gmail.com I'm going to enter the relevant password, login, this is your dashboard, right? So this is how the email verification works in Jetstream. Okay, now let's add the privacy policies of the Jetstream, so of the project. So here what you are going to do is privacy policies must, right? So here if you want to log out the system, now when you are logging the system, there will be the privacy, when you create the registration account, there will be the privacy policies that will be must in your project. So how to apply this one? Here you will be able to, again you have to go to your project file. So this one here, config folder, there all the configuration is there in this file. So this when your email configuration you are did these things. Okay, so after that when you are go to the or the policy apply, you go to the Jetstream. Here you will be able to see that Jetstream, they are the term and privacy policies. You have to enable this option. This is must. Okay, file save all. This is very much this term and condition policies, right? You have to enable this one. Okay, so you have to read the privacy policies. You have to go to, you have to add your company privacy policies. What are the policies you apply of this particular software? This all the things you will be able to apply to here this file. Go to the resources folder. The resources folder, there will be the markdown here. Resources folder, there will be the markdown here, privacy policies and term condition. Here you have to apply. Right now, while save all these all things, I'm going to run the project again. Right, so here if you want to register the application, here the privacy policy is there. Here the privacy policy is there. Right, here term and condition. If you want to read the term and condition, you have to apply. Right, so this one coming from your default one, you have to apply this file. Okay, here what are the term and condition, you have to write it over here. That will be display over here, right? That's the thing we have to do it. Okay, okay, when you click the account, we have to enable the privacy and policies over here, right? Now what you are going to do is, now we have already see how to add the email verification and term and condition policies. Now I'm going to move into the another thing is a logo, change the logo of part. This logo part. So how to change the logos? So what you're going to do is logos and everything. Now first I'm going to register. I already registered the account, so I am going to log in the things. So I'm going to log in and at gmail.com. Password I'm going to press and right. Login system. System login successfully. Now I am going to here the profile pictures, all the things are there. I am going to change here. There will be no profile pictures. We need a profile pictures to apply over here. You will be able to see your dashboard. There will be the profile picture. How to apply the profile picture? There is no options are there. That features also give our Livewire. This is very easy. So that features also you have to go to the 44. Sorry, 44, not 44. The Jetstream. Here the Jetstream. The Jetstream. The configure, they are the Jetstream folder. Here there's a file photos. You have to enable this feature as well. Now let's file save all. File save all. Now back to your application. Refresh it. Here. That will be there. Now I'm going to add the photo. Here click on select. You have to write the icon. icons folder. I have put it one photo. This icon folder. This one. Here, this photo is there. If you click save, but I saved, but the photo is not shown. Whatever. What's the problem? So you have to make sure right click this one. Open the images new tab. This is the troubleshooting you have to do. So you can see here it is reside on the storage profile. This is the folder where my picture is stored. Okay, so where's the storage folder? You can find out public folder. There is a storage. Here there is a photo is there. You will be able to see here. This is the photo. So how to get it to my project? So simply you have to do the thing is you have to go to my project. Here it will be running which port my project is. This is the port where my project is running. So this is the address, IP address. So here you have to paste down this application and check it. Now here the project is so successfully. So what you're going to do, this address, I'm going to paste it. Go to my project env file. So you can see the env file. There is a app URL. It's a localhost. Instead of the localhost, we have to paste this port as well. Now let's file and save all. Check back your application again. Wait. Let's check out now. Right, now it's working. Here. Now the profile picture is working successfully. Right, this is how we have add your profile picture. If you save your profile picture, when you log in the account, the profile picture, the account will be logged in using the profile picture. Here you will be able to see the profile picture. Right, perfect. Right. Now what you're going to do is, once you forget the username and password, what you're going to do is here, your hand, you have to log in. Now, what you're going to do is you have to forget the username and password. So you forget the password, you're going to click on this, forget password. You type your email. So Ann at Gmail, right? Click email password reset option, right? It goes to the forget password. Here we have removed. Here we have received your password reset link. So here you go ahead, you can have it. The link here. Reset. Click on this. Reset your password here. Now you'll be able to reset your password. Okay, you will be able to reset password again. This is how we have reset the password. Perfect. Now the password is reset successfully. Now again I'm going to log in the account along with my new password. Now your login has been successfully done. Right? Perfect. Right? So perfect. Now I'm going to change these pictures as well. So how to change these pictures? These pictures I'm going to change. This one also I'm going to change. So how to change it? It's also very simple. Right. Now what you're going to do is we have to find out the icon, the some picture icon. So I'm going to find out the bootstrap. The example I'm going to make this icon as well, this icon. So new tab. So this one, this icon I'm going to get then the image, but this is the image URL. Right, so I'm going to get this one, this icon I'm going to implement. So this take this out, the picture I'm going to change it. So how to change here is, so back to my project. So here I'm going to change it. So how to change it? This all the icons I'm going to change it. So very simple. You go back to my project. Here you have to go here. There is a inside my project. This is my project. Okay, this is my resources folder. This is resources folder. There is a there is a folder which is component folder. Inside the component folder, there will be the logo application logo blade.php. This page, the default logo as shown. This is the default logos. Okay. Now, if you want to change your own logo, you have type image img tag src where your logo is resided. You have to give the link. Okay, so you have to give the width and height what you need. So that's how we have given. Right, you have to given the logo. So let's save all and bring back to our application and check what the logos. Okay, it will be this is here logo is so. Right now you will be able to implement the width and height with your right 150 pixel and height also you are given as a height given as a 50 pixel. File save all. Now here it will be working successfully. The same thing you have to given this here also. You will be able to change the logo. The same thing you just copied. You can see the authentication card logo blade. Here also you have to paste it over here. Here also you have to copy file save all and bring back your application back here. Now here your logo is not shown. Why? Card logo authentication card logo blade. So let's save all. Why what's the problem? If there any problem while you make the change it's not apply, you have to run the command file php artisan optimize optimize. Right, you have to optimize the command. You have just run the application again. You have not changed. Why? Card logo application logo card logo. Yes, sorry, we are not finding here. You have to log out the system. Now you will be able to find it. Here, it will be has been changed. You have to go into the login. Here, the icon has been successfully changed. Okay, the icon has been successfully changed. If you are going to the authentication, this is authentication process here. Registration, also the icon has been changed. Right. So this is the things, the basic authentication part of the Jetstream. We will be seeing the advanced one in my next video tutorial, how the Jetstream works. Okay, some advanced stuff. Okay, how to configure your industrial level Laravel project. Right. So thank you for watching.